In this video I'm going to give you an in-depth view of Saturn, maybe the most beautiful planet from our solar system. So if you want to learn great things about Saturn, sit back, relax, grab your favorite beverage and follow me in this video. Hi, my name is Alex and on this channel I make videos to help you discover everything around you. So be sure to hit the subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system, after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9.5 times that of Earth. It only has 1/8 the average density of Earth. However, with its larger volume, Saturn is over 95 times more massive. The planet's most famous feature is its prominent ring system, which is composed mostly of ice particles, with a smaller amount of rocky debris and dust. At least 82 moons are known to orbit Saturn, of which 53 are officially named. Here are some fun facts about the ring planet. You cannot stand on Saturn. It is not like Earth. Saturn is made mostly of gases. It has a lot of helium. This is the same kind of gas that you put in balloons. The rings are huge but thin. The main rings could almost go from Earth to the Moon. Yet, they are less than a kilometer thick. Its beautiful rings are not solid. They are made up of bits of ice, dust and rock. Some of these bits are as small as grains of sand. Some are much larger than tall buildings. Some are up to a kilometer, more than half a mile, across. Other planets have rings. Saturn's rings are the only ones that can be seen from Earth. All you need is a small telescope. Saturn could float in water because it is mostly made of gas. Earth is made of rocks and stuff. It is very windy on Saturn. Winds around the equator can be 1,800 kilometers per hour. That's 1,118 miles per hour. On Earth, the fastest winds only get to about 400 kilometers per hour. That's only about 250 miles per hour. Saturn goes around the Sun very slowly. A year on Saturn is more than 29 Earth years. Saturn spins on its axis very fast. A day on Saturn is 10 hours and 14 minutes. The ring planet is so far away from the Sun that it receives much less sunlight than we do here on Earth. Yes, the Sun looks smaller from there. Comment and let me know what you think is the most fascinating thing about Saturn. By the way, if you liked this video, by all means give it a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you want to get new great videos each week. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.